Yo, what up everybody? Welcome back to Wild Style Collective with another unboxing and review. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Stone Island green patch hoodie and green drawstring sweatpants. So, I copped the green patch hoodie and green drawstring sweatpants on February 12th, 2024, on sale on the Sense website. They had a really good sale, and I was able to cop both items at almost half the retail price of each item. I try to be pretty strategic of when and where I buy to be as frugal as possible. Sense had a really good sale, so I couldn't overlook that. A couple other stores did have some really good sales where you can find sales on Stone Island, like Bodega and Mr. Porter. Those are just some tips right there in case you're trying to save some money and be as frugal as possible. I can never hate on anybody for trying to save a buck. After all, that's what I did. I waited for these to be on sale and I immediately copped. So this is what it looks like when you're like hitting on Sense. I'm trying to get it in frame here, but the box is really big. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It looks like it's telling me what's in here, male trousers. But other than that, there's no other labels on the box here. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so here we got the sweatpants first. Okay, and here we have the hoodie. Okay, so I actually thought that these would come in a box, but like its own Stone Island box like I've seen before, but oh well. So here we got the hoodie first. I originally was gonna cop me a medium, but the site told me to go up a size because it runs small, so I got me a large instead. Can't wait to try that on. For the bottom here, I ended up getting a small. So let's go ahead and, you know what, let's do the sweatpants first because it looks like it's already trying to be opened. Here we have the sweatpants. The material feels good. I could already feel the quality there. Yeah, it feels nice and thick here. Still soft, not too heavy, but definitely not like your regular sweatpants. There's our tag or label there. Washing instructions, okay. Comes with the iconic badge. And it is like a tapered, cuffed pant leg there, or pant sleeve. Pretty cool. Actually, what? Oh, we got a zipper there. I think it comes with another zipper here. Yup. Should be a button for the wallet. Okay. Yeah, overall, this is really nice. I'm really happy with this purchase. The shade of green looks very cool. It looked a lot brighter on the site, but now that I'm looking at it here in person, it definitely has a much more forest green or a slightly deeper tone. I love it. Love me these earth tones here. All right, now let's get into the hoodie. Here we have the hoodie. Here's the tag on it. Looks like the wash instructions there. And here we have the hoodie. So as I mentioned, I am typically a size medium in most tops or sweaters, but the site did recommend that I go up a half size, so that's what I went ahead and did. Yeah, so it's very minimalistic branding, nothing crazy, nothing too loud. Just the iconic badge here on the sleeve, on the left side. Somewhat minimal branding, you know. That's what I'm into these days. So for those of you that don't know, Stone Island is an Italian brand created in the 80s. Most people think it's a British brand, but it's actually Italian. It has a lot of traction in the UK, known amongst the soccer hooligan crowd that somehow this is the soccer hooligan brand. Apparently back in the 80s and early 90s when the European leagues were doing better in football out there, the fans were traveling more to go support their league. A pivotal moment was one day there was a riot. One of the British clubs lost in Sweden, and there was a riot at a mall and at a store that carried Stone Island. And word has it that after that riot, a lot of British folks came back to the UK and had just all of this stolen Stone Island gear. And they say that's the first wave. The first big wave was after that riot, and people looted the stores. They made out with a lot of Stone Island merch. It didn't really make its way over here to the States until about 2014, until they collabed with Supreme. They also had another collab with Nike in 2019. So stay tuned for sizing. That's coming up here at the end of the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if it's your first time here. And I appreciate everybody's time. Hope to see y'all on the next one. Peace.